A wonderful day to you. If you are viewing for your very first time, you are viewing on the channel Mike Physics Mathematics channel. Stay tuned as we enjoy this solution. I'm going to solve an example on current electricity, and this is the question. The question reads, in a circuit diagram below, the ammeter reads a current of 3 ampere when R is 5 ohms and 6 ampere when R is 2 ohms. Determine the value of X. So this is the circuit diagram below. R stands for resistance and this X also stands for resistance. And if you observe the arrangement of this resistance, R and X are connected in parallel. So for us to solve this question, we must find the total resistance in parallel. And the formula of finding total resistance in parallel, so we have solution, resistance in parallel is given by 1 over R total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So it means I have 1 over RT is equal to R1, let's take it as R. So that is 1 over R plus R2, let's take it as X. So that is 1 over X. So to simplify this one, we are going to find the LCM of this. And the LCM is Rx. So if you divide Rx by R, it will give us X. And X times 1 is X. Plus, if you divide Rx by X, X will cancel X, then you are left with R. So that is plus R. Now we have 1 over RT is equal to X plus R over Rx. Understand that this is inverse, so our RT now will be equal to the inverse of this is Rx over X plus R. So this is the total resistance in parallel in this circuit. Now, from Ohm's law, we understand that from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. That is R total. So I want to substitute in the value of R in this formula. So V is equal to I into Rx over X plus R. Now, going back to the question, we see that the ammeter reads a current of 3 ampere when R is what? 5 ohms. So we are going to substitute that into this equation. So our V will be equal to, let's say when I is equal to 3 ampere, then R is equal to 5 ohms. R equal to 5 ohms. So we can have V is equal to 3 into R is 5. So we are having 5 times X, which is 5X, over X plus R, which is 5 plus 5. Now, opening the bracket, V is equal to 15, that is 3 times 5x will give us 15x over x plus 5. This is equation 1. Then equation 2. The question further says that and 6 ampere when R is 2 ohms. So we have when R is equal to 6 ampere, then R is equal to 2 ohm. So using the same equation here will substitute in the value of I and R for the second time. So V is also equal to 6 into r here is 2, that is 2x over x plus 2. So by opening the bracket, v will be equal to 6 times 2x will give us 12x over x plus 2. So this can be our equation 2. So you can understand that here also is v equal to 15x over x plus 5, v equal to 12x over x plus 2. So we can equate the two together. We can now have equating equation 1 and equation 2. We have equation 1 as 15x over x plus 5 is equal to 12x over x plus 2. Now, we can simplify or we can cross multiply in this situation. So by crossing multiply, we can have 15x into x plus 2 is equal to 12x into x plus 5. You can open the bracket. In opening the bracket, we have 15x times x will give us 15x squared plus 15x times 2 will give us 30x is equal to 12x times x will give us 12x squared plus 12x times 5 will give us 60x. So we collect like terms. We have x squared here, we have x squared here. So we bring them together. And then we have 30x here, we have 60x. So take them, also take this one to that side. So we have 15x squared minus 12x squared. Understand that 12 is coming this side, so it becomes minus. Is equal to 60x minus 30x. 30 is positive, crossing the equality sign becomes minus. So we have this. Now, 15x squared minus 12x squared will give us 3x squared. Is equal to 60x minus 30x will give us 30x. So we dividing both sides. Both sides by 3x. We can have 3x squared divided by 3x is equal to 30x divided by 3x. So this x will cancel this x will cancel x, 1 on the x there, and then 3 cancel 3. So here you are left with x is equal to 30 now divided by 3 will give us 10. So that is 10 ohm. And that is the answer, or that is the value of x in that diagram. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If you enjoyed the solution, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and then put your comments in the comment box. Love you. Wonderful time.